request tonight. When you hear this, that is the introduction.
Yo, this is how I represent. I rock the mic 110%. It's intimate. I keep the party moving like an immigrant. Binary star, superstar, it's no coincidence. Every verse is intricate. This ain't a circus in a tent. We don't get down like them clowns in the Kents. I'm used to being indigent. Who said it's all about the Benjamins? I want a fortune. I want to make music and hit the lottery. Fortunately, my music is never watery. That's how it gotta be as far as I can see. Maybe you should grab a telescope to see my view is like astronomy. It ain't all about economy, so the fact that all these whack MCs is making G's don't bother me. Honestly, my #1 policy is quality. Never sell my soul is my philosophy. High velocity, lyrics like Nostradamus making prophecy. I told you cats a long time ago, it ain't no stopping me. I bomb your set, that's not a threat, it's a promise. Got everybody riding on my wagon like the Amish. But still I never claim to be a big rap star, cause no matter who you are, it's still Allahu Akbar. Better believe this, most rappers can't achieve this. I'm bad to the bone, but x-rays can't even see this. See, I'm strategic, I let your money talk bullshit. Walk while I keep it rolling like paraplegics. Whoever's on the microphone, let it be known, you in danger. I got next like the Boston Strangler. You ain't never heard an MC speak like this, and Rodney King ain't never felt the beat like this.
That is the main theme. I'm gonna do something else.
Get a grip on yourself, cause you ain't gripping minds. Life and times idolize, rap guys out of line, careers I finalize. Collide with this serenade cyanide, you've applied for psilocybin. The thing that makes killers hide, hang them high by they gold link necktie, and drain them dry into tempest die. Now you ain't Kai, so you ain't that high. Wanna be aeronautic, then get swatted for acting fly. Masterminds, crafty rhymes, ill went from drafty lines. They chill spines like the Alpines, running up on Sanam turbines, a close encounter of the worst kind. Go ask some cats and heard I'm lyrical turpentine. Who wanna taste mine? I carry hell on the waistline. God's get the baseline, so let the phlegm fly. I surmise 7-5 through the MI when I forcefully Jedi in the bull's eye. Red eye, heads fly, bad eye. Shark shoot, dead eye. Snooze, cruise, bed by. Mary Lou flipping eye, paper pump, ripping eye, stomping eye, simplify, represent, temper eye, signify, walking rhyme, make nothing similar. Or Gemini, we're in this perimeter, Septemini. Cats be cut dry, I'm a wild wet guy. I be raining precipitation till it's 1 inch from neck high. Rest fly kids mid sky without an alibi. Who said you rap tight? You come and rap by a slice of this rap. Scalpel guys quick as apple pie. I'm learned in all schools of thought and shit you baffled by. Conceptual, intellectual, fox lie. Silla oxide, rhymes flow like a rock slide. You must have forgot I slap your ass, knock, kneed and cockeyed, bruised, battered, broken up, open cut, dipped in peroxide. Death to the pot fly.
Usually I don't do request numbers, unless of course I have been asked to do so.